Hey friends, if you wish to fix power surge on USB port error in Windows 11, then please watch this video. Now, this occurs with a few devices, and the issues with those devices, not the USB itself. Try using a different device and check if it is with the device or the system. Then you can search for device manager in the Windows search bar, go to the device manager, expand the list for universal serial bus controllers, right click on USB root hub and update the driver. Do it for all the USB root hub drivers on your system. Okay. So this is the first stage. The second one is to right click on it, select properties, go to power management and uncheck this box. Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power, because when it turns on later, it will cause a power surge. And if this doesn't work either, then you can simply stop using that specific USB slot and try some other USB slot. These days computers have multiple of them. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.